guys, I'm Greg from DMC, and we're gonna test now whether our Ferrari 488 wing fits or not. Here right now. We tested it already on the car, but in order to show it to you nicely, we're doing it right here in the office. So this is the part. Just clean this up a little bit. Ferrari 488. Have a look. There should be a product code somewhere. Yes. So original Ferrari part. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take the DMC wing, which is here. We already installed the beautiful legs. I'm gonna see whether it fits on the product or not. This is very nice. And as always with the DMC parts, we not just only sit on top, we also go around the edge. This is, you can only see with the DMC products. You see, we go this extra step and make sure that the product looks nice, okay? Not just put it on top of any car. We integrate it with the full design. Can you see this here? It goes around the corner, around the edge. Now I'll hold this a little bit and you try to go a little bit further away. So we've got the original Ferrari 488 deck lid here. We installed the DMC wing. It comes with different kind of legs, so you can choose bigger, taller, or different design. This is gonna look stunning. Try to go a little bit more further away. This will give an extra aggressive look to any of the Ferrari 488 GTB. Ferrari 488 steering wheel here as well, just by chance. So I'm going to show you more about that later on. See you.